Hilton Garden in North review. Hi guys, this is a quick review of the Hilton Garden in North. So this is a queen bed you're looking at, and then this is the room. It looks like much bigger. It looks bigger than I was expecting. So I'm just going to give you a quick washroom tour, and you can see that it's spacious. There's the mirror, the safety deposit box, and there's a fridge. And then let's take a quick look at the washroom. So the washroom looks actually big, so cannot complain about anything, and they have provided everything you need, which is right there. And I see that there's conditioner, soap, shampoo right there. And then I'm going to show you the best part of this, which is the Petronas Twin Tower view. And you can see that it's a beautiful view of Kuala Lumpur skyline, which includes the Petronas Twin Tower. And they told us that there's a rooftop bar in the south building, which we are going to visit later. And this is the room we are going to be staying for 3 nights in Kuala Lumpur before heading for the Maldives. So thank you for watching, and we'll see. So hey guys, this is the lobby, and we are here for breakfast, and it's like 6:30 where the breakfast starts. So there are not many people yet, and I'm just going to show you the menu right here. So this is like, you know, the menu if you don't have free breakfast, but for now the breakfast is free. And there's kind of small store here, and this is when you enter. So this is like, you know, cereals and stuff. And then this is the juice station. So let's see what they have. Chilled orange juice, chilled pink guava, and then orange. And there's like noodles, clear soup. So this is where we are sitting right now with walking lady.
Hello everyone.
And then this is by the street, so you can have the street view, and you can just, like, you know, eat at the same time. So let me show you the coffee station. So here you can have coffee, and you can see there, like, you know, lots of teas and stuff. And this is the coffee station. That's the water, and then the coffee. And I already showed you guys that one. And then here we have, okay, I think this is called Maggie Goreng. And then we have here Chinese fried rice. And then here's, like, you know, some salads and condiments. You can see some dressings and cereal there. And here we have potato and grilled chicken sausage. So let's have a quick look. Oh, I think it looks like this is self-service egg. So if you want scrambled egg, so you have to prepare on your own. And here we got some fresh fruits. So I don't know what's that one, but we can try the mixed fruits later on. Oh, this thing is really heavy. Soft bean curd. That's really heavy and hard to take. I am masak merah. Not sure what is this. Oh, that looks like, I think these are very spicy. And then we have your nasi lemak, samal bawang. Then we have here nasi lemak condiments. So I have to, like, you know, prepare nasi lemak based on your own needs. Then we have here cauliflower, and this is plain. Oh, the paratha. Okay, that's something I'm gonna eat. Poha gravy. Poha gravy. Oh, what's this? Poha gravy. Not sure what is that. Vegetarian. Dalcha. I think it's like a dal. And then here we have chicken porridge, plain porridge, and here we have some bakeries, muffin, French toast. I think that's it there. So here you can toast your bread, and there's like different types of jelly and jam, and cornflakes. So that, oh, they have actually fresh milk, which is right here. So guys, this is what we picked up all together. So we got the paratha and some other stuff here and there, and egg omelette, and picked up one French toast, and this is what we're going to eat. We're going to pick up yogurt shortly, so that's going to be our breakfast.